Okay.
Hello.
So today we're gonna show y'all how to make the barrel of slime.
Person.
And
But you cannot eat it.
Yeah, don't eat it.
Okay. Make you sick.
So for now, I'm gonna wear these.
Why?
Just okay. Here's our bucket that we're gonna create it. Okay, we're gonna push it down. Just be careful because we're actually magic, okay?
She's magic.
I'm Kirsten, this is April.
No, you already know. Because my YouTube name is April Rocks. I rock.
So, we are going to take this rock, one small rock like this.
Wait, no. Like this. It's really small.
Okay, and so you're just going to drop it in a bucket and squish it. And only if you're magic you can do this. So, see, and then you want to watch. April, go fill this up with water. And so, then it will turn into it. Good? Okay, then you'll stir it around with your fingers. Don't stir it around with anything else. And voila. We have made it. And then this is what it turns out like.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
Even someone not magic can squish it.
But somebody magic has to make it. Right, April?
Yeah. It doesn't. You don't have to be magic to put the water in.
No. That's why I told her to do it.